Hello again. I have to rush because only 1 minute and 50 I see I can record. I inserted a picture, I wrote something with the brush. I want to upload some content, that's what couldn't be seen in... I have a PowerPoint presentation here with Greek mythology and gods, which I can review. I can show the next slides, but I don't know the last one. Oh, it's from the library, sorry. Okay, I can close it. I can close the board as well. Now I must show you how to screen share from here. But I'm not sharing anything. I can put some content again. This one, no, not from there. This one, okay. I'm sharing it, and I can stop screen share, and I must sign out. Exit session, yes. Close window, and I return to and see if we have the class here. Manage content, let's see if it's here. No, I won't upload any content. And I go back. Now it's recording, very interesting. I can end it and then upload on YouTube and on the submission area. Bye bye!